I am brown. I am dumb, stupid, and illiterate. I am not of value to society unless I play rugby or volley, or the boy pushing around trolleys. I am brown.
I bottle my pain and adjust my aim when I am constantly reminded where I stand in the food chain. I am brown.
I play sports like an animal, but when it comes to school, my input is minimal. I am brown.
I take music cause all someone sing. Drama because I jump at the opportunity to be
someone else.
PE because it's almost guaranteed no work for me, and I will pass the test as long as it tests me physically. I am brown.
I only come to school to muck around, but I'm scared to death when exams come around.
I frown.
On the inside, of course, because I can't let my boys see me like that. No way. I am brown.
I am poor.
I never have lunch.
I'm a skux.
I am brown.
Bang bang. I'm a gangster, ripping Crips. I hate bloods, even if it means the blood of my own people.
So what? I'm a gangster, ripping bloods. I hate Crips, even if it means rip for my own people. I am brown.
I make drugs.
I sell drugs.
I take drugs.
I hate drugs.
Don't do hugs.
And I don't know love.
So I don't love.
I am brown.
But do you know what?
All of this doesn't matter.
Do you know why?
Because I am brown.
I come from a hard-working family who works hard for their salary.
$15 hourly.
9 to 5 daily.
Just to put food on the table.
And clothes on my back. I am brown. I work hard in school for a better life.
To prove them wrong, to make us right.
To remove the darkness and bring the light.
I am brown.
And I am proud.
I am a leader.
I can make a difference.
My presence is felt.
Even from a distance.
I am brown.
I have respect and I am humble.
And when I do fumble, I do not stumble or crumble, but I play till the whistle is blown.
Till I've played my final card.
I get back up and try twice as hard. I am brown.
I can drop out now, get a job and risk it. Wake up every morning, put a fake smile on like it's lipstick.
My life will sway side to side like a ripstick.
Eyes bloodshot because I just had a quick hit.
But is it worth being another brown statistic?
Listen. I am brown.
We are brown.
But we are more than just a color. We are strong, we are smart.
Where we finish and where we start
does not determine who we are,
but only what we have done.
Old or young, to the fat lady sings.
And the song has been sung, stand up as one.
Stand up for what you believe.
Encourage and strive to succeed. I am brown.
I have dreams and aspirations.
Of success, of graduations.
Of diplomas, degrees, PhDs.
Oscars, Grammys. I am brown.
But I am not limited to what you say I am.
Nor what you think I am. Because I am brown.
Next time you look in the mirror, don't just see a color.
No baggage or burdens.
See a person who represents a people.
With a plan and a purpose.
A drive and a reason.
A time and a season.
We are brown.